Bear with me. I bought some more stuff. I thought I'd show you. Ultimately, there is one thing that I have bought that's in this box that I want to talk to you about. So, first things first, bought a new back protector. I've got 4 jackets, 3 of them have back protectors, the other one doesn't, and I'm just lazy and I can't be bothered to keep taking the back protector out of one, put it into another, and yeah, so I thought if I just have a back protector for every jacket, I'm sorted. So, back protector. Yet another lid by Scorpion. What I like about Scorpion helmets is they provide you with a blacked out visor in the box free of charge. Oh, and a pin lock for your visor. So that's stuff I would buy additionally to a helmet, but because Scorpion provide it for you, save you a bit of money. And to be fair, Scorpion helmets aren't that expensive really compared to other brands. I mean, I've tried HJC, I've tried Shoeies, and I just don't really get on with the Scorpion. The helmet I get on with really well. I find them very comfortable. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this helmet yet. It's just been sitting in my sports bike shop basket for a while now, so I thought I'd just order it and have a look at it. The good thing about sports bike shop, you do get like 365-day return policy, so if a year down the line I decide, no, I don't really want it, or I haven't used it, because obviously you can't actually use it when you send it back, but it just gives you a bit of time to make your mind up. But there she be. Now, yes, I already have a carbon helmet. This one, like that. And how cool is that? Like I say, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I've got the white version of this helmet, and I use it for blood bikes, but I thought I'd get the carbon one, have a look at it. The problem is with having this style helmet, having you guys on the front of the helmet, obviously I haven't got a chin bar, so it would mean having to look at different options if I wanted to motovlog with this helmet. But I like it, I do like it a lot. I do like my white one I've got as well. It makes life a lot easier, like going to shops and petrol stations and all that, because a lot of places nowadays don't like you wearing a full face helmet with a blacked out visor on. Don't really know why. Probably something to do with obviously theft and stuff, but anyway, it's just nice to be able to flip the front up, they can see your face, jump on the back of the bike, away you go, full face helmet again. But yeah, like I say, I don't know if I'm keeping that yet, but that isn't what I'm here to show you anyway. What I'm actually going to show you is what's in this little box. I can open it up. This is a Moni Moto Tracker for the bike. I've been thinking about getting a tracker for quite a while now. Not because the area I live in's high on bike theft and stuff like that. It's just that little extra security, really. When you go on tour, you know, you never know. So I've just got a tracker on it. At least if I do get through the other security devices on the bike, at least I can track it and hopefully find it. I mean, I really hope I never have to use this, if I'm honest. But it's just nice to know that it's there if that happens. Now, just for clarity, I haven't opened this yet. Obviously, you've just seen me take it out of the box. I have no idea how it works. So this is new for me and new for you. Unless you've already got one, then you already know. But the whole point of this video is to see if I can set this up, install it on the bike with you guys, in case you are interested in getting one yourself. As you all know, I am not technically minded, so this could be really, really simple, or it could be a long process. Obviously, I'll edit the video down if it ends up being really long. But yeah, we'll see how we go on. So I'll get into it and have a look. So when you open the box in, you end up with this little thing here. It tells you to download the app and whatnot. The tracker itself, very, very light, but small as well, so shouldn't be too hard to hold up on the bike. You also get a key fob. Obviously that's designed to stay with you in case the bike goes walkies. The tracker and this will, I presume, disconnect and then it will set the tracker off. That, I don't really know what it is yet. I'll find out and let you know. Random bit of card as well. And your instructions. you don't want to see me sitting there reading instructions. So I'll read these and I'll get back to you. I've read the instructions and it is really, really simple, to the point that I've done it within a matter of minutes. Literally, if you just download the Moni Moto app, it's not hard to find, just type in Moni Moto on your App Store or your Google Play or whatever phone you've got. It comes up, you select which tracker you've got. In the instructions, it tells you pretty much what to do. You need to obviously download your app, open the back of the tracker up, just have a little tab at the back, pull that out, and pretty much just follow the instructions on the app. You connect it all through your phone, through Bluetooth initially, and then you connect your key fob up to your tracker. That all does some magic stuff and connects all up, and apparently then that's the way you go. It then tells you to install it on the bike. I have already installed the tracker on the bike. Obviously I'm not going to show you YouTube where I've put the tracker on the bike, but one thing I will say is I don't recommend putting a tracker underneath your seat, because if someone's going to nick your bike, the first place they'd like you to look is under your seat. Find a tracker, whip it out, and the tracker's pointless. So yeah, find somewhere on your bike that's discreet, but you know where it is. Obviously with this tracker, you have got AA batteries to replace. They say it lasts up to a year, but the app will tell you what the battery life is on your key fob and on the tracker. So what I've done is installed it somewhere that I can get to it if when I need to replace the batteries, or if anything goes wrong with it, I can just get to it quite easily. But it's not in view, you can't see it, you wouldn't know where it was if you tried to look for it. So yeah, so all I've got to do now is test it. So to test it, if you literally just scan that little QR code on your phone, it brings up a little video. The person talking you through how to test it is actually Mr. Flyer. I know Moni Moto sponsors his channel, so he's done a little bit on how to test your tracker. So basically I'm going to do that now. I'm going to, on the video it says you need to put your key fob outside, roughly 50 meters away from where the tracker is. So I'm going to go and hide that in my garden, and then I've got to move the bike up and down the driveway to see if my phone rings. So we'll see how it goes. Right guys, what I've done is I've decided to put you on my helmet so you can see my phone. So I'm going to move the bike up and down my driveway, and if all goes well, my phone should ring and I should get a text to let me know that my bike's been nicked. So let's give it a go. Now they do say it takes about 30 seconds ish to go off, so it's not going to be instant, but oh, there you go, there's my text. So I don't know if you can see that, it's told me when my alarm's gone off. BMW XR, which is what I named my Moni Moto. Next update in 5 minutes with an approximate GPS location. So I've put the bike back in the garage now. I did have a look on the active track it's on the app. It said it will show you information between 5 and 24 hours, 5 minutes and 24 hours, which that's the fact that depending on how much GPS signal the tracker is picking up and all that. But I mean, just to give you an idea, just in this short space of time, I've had quite a few notifications on my phone, literally within the past 5 minutes, just moving the bike around. Obviously telling me that the bike has been moved, where it is, now that the key fob is now back in range with the tracker. So the information you get on the tracker is very, very good. It does activate as soon as the bike's sort of wandering. Like I said to you, as you just heard, I mean, I did move the bike sort of from one place to another in the garage, and it set my phone off, ringing, telling me the tracker's gone off. The minute you answer the phone call, all it says is to alarm, and then yeah, well, then you know your bike's been nicked. So hopefully you can do something about it, or at least track it on the tracker. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. It activated pretty quickly. It was really easy to set up. and it just gives me that peace of mind knowing that in the event, if it does go walkies, I've got the tracker on the bike and I should be able to find it. Also, not forgetting, if you tell your insurance company you've got a tracker on the bike, might bring the insurance down a little bit. So that ain't a bad thing with the price of insurance on this bad boy. So yeah, I mean, I know there is other trackers out there. I mean, this bike actually did come with data tag, but you have to activate it, and then I think it's something like I think it's like a monthly subscription to it. It's quite expensive. With the reason I went for the Moni Moto one, it's £30 a year or £35 a year subscription, and all it is through the app. There's no one at the other end of it. It's just like a GPS signal. As soon as this is moved and it's not in range of the fob, sets your phone off, gives you a text and a phone call, and you can basically track it on your phone. Yes, I suppose you go down the route of saying data tag is more advanced. Obviously you've got people at the other end, but you're paying for that. So why not get a tracker then? Just a little bit more security really, just a bit more peace of mind. I mean, don't get me wrong, I live in a really, really nice area. Nothing ever happens down here, touch wood. In fairness, the bike's locked up to the hilt anyway when I'm not on it. When it's left in the garage is locked. The bike's got locks here, there, everywhere, immobilisers, alarms. Tracker just gives me that extra peace of mind, more so when I go on tours and stuff like that. Obviously I haven't got the extra security of the home and the garage. If they do decide to want the bike and they're going to nick it, they do get through the obviously the locks and your chains and all that. At least I know it's got a tracker on it, so I should then hopefully be able to find it or hand it to the police and they should be able to find it for me. So yeah, it's just a little bit of a extra peace of mind really, and it wasn't expensive. At the moment I ordered this and it was £129, and then it's, like I said, I think it is £35 a year subscription to the app. But I would rather pay £129 and £35 a year than losing this bike entirely. I have more of a chance to get the thing back if it's tracked. So guys, as you well know, I am not sponsored by anybody. I'm not sponsored by Moni Moto or Sports Bike Shop or anything like that. Any review I do on any of the stuff I buy is genuine. This is the first time I've used a tracker, and I've got to be honest, the Moni Moto's Tracker 7 does exactly what it says on the tin. I mean, within 30 seconds it set my phone off ringing, it gave me a text message, and just walking up and down the driveway it was sending me GPS coordinates of where the bike was, and as soon as it come back into contact with the key fob, it sent me another one saying to me that it's back with the key fob and it is back on standby. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Really glad I bought it. Like I said to you earlier, I really hope I don't have to use it for real, but it's just nice to know it's there just in case. If you're looking for a cheaper tracker than your expensive stuff, then Moni Moto Tracker 7 is pretty good, and hopefully it'll bring insurance down as well. So thank you very much for watching guys, and I shall see you on the next one. Catch you later.